Hi, in this video, I will show you how to create a CMD script that cleans junk files, disable unnecessary startup programs, and even run basic hardware diagnostics, all in one click. This advanced batch script will clean system temp and user junk files, disable bloat from startup, check disk, memory, and CPU performance, and give you a hardware report to analyze. Let's write the script. Open Notepad. And paste the following code. You can pause and copy this from the description too. Save the file as optimizepc.cmd. Select all files. Then right-click it and choose Run as Administrator. And you will see temp folders get wild, startup programs listed, benchmark tests like CPU and RAM performance, and finally a report saved to your desktop. If this script helped clean, speed up your PC, hit the like button, subscribe for more deep Windows tricks, and comment below if you want to auto-clean version that runs silently in the background. Thanks for watching.